Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it is now official and there's no getting away from it because it is now being fully declared and the images have been made public. 18-year-old Regina Daniels is now formally married to Ned Nwoko. Now, when I was first breaking this story on this channel here, a lot of people came into the comment section. They were very vociferous, they were abusive, they called me names, they said I was making up stories, they called me fake news, etc, etc. So now, it is now official. 18-year-old or 19-year-old Regina Daniels has now formally married the 59-year-old billionaire Ned Nwoko. So guys, I bring you this. Breaking news. Regina Daniels inducted into married women group with traditional ritual rites in Anomia as wife of Ned Nwoko. So with photos. So again, Regina Daniels inducted into married women group with traditional ritual rites in Anomia or Anioma, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Anioma is A-N-I-O-M-A, Anioma, as wife of Ned Nwoko. So that's clearly a traditional rite within the Igbo hegemony. So now let's go into the body of it. Nollywood actress Regina Daniels has been traditionally inducted into the Otu Udu group as the customary ritual of Idioma community, confirming her marriage to billionaire politician Senator-elect Ned Nwoko today, May 26, in Idioma community in Delta State, where her husband hails from. So her husband, note that word, her husband. So now all you people coming into my comment section to call me names all these weeks, no, note that her husband, where her husband came or hails rather from. So it continues. The ritual was conducted by elderly women from the community in the presence of her mother. The Inyoma induction tradition now gives the actress the right to enjoy all the privileges of a married woman. So note that as well, all the privileges of a married woman. The occasion of the induction ceremony is an age-long tradition of initiation for newly married ladies into the women world of marriage. So now this is something that's peculiar to that community, especially. This actually is more valued more valid than a formal legal civic marriage ceremony, which is just the legal documentation of it. But within this community, this whatever it is, what did I call it earlier, this their ritual that they feel the need to perform is now what is really what they consider to be marriage by their tradition. What is it called again? This their Otu Udu. Yes, this thing that they do. So this is what they do in their community, and this is now affirmation of that marriage as having taken place. The occasion was graced by high-profile traditional personalities, high-level delegation from the Niger Delta, first-class royalties in Delta State, and other distinguished public faces in the community. Colleagues of the actress Regina Daniels in Nollywood industry, members of Coalition of Nigerian Entertainers, and other celebrities which include Sydney Sparrow, Venancio, MC Bob, Shortcut, MC Papi. I mean, all these ridiculous sounding names, but I'm sure they have meanings to you. I'm sure they have names from the entertainment industry. So the greater the good, effectively, from the entertainment industry is pretty much the least, and particularly from her sector of the entertainment industry. Notable, of course, is that boy, what's his name again? That boy that so was reputed to be dating. He's not there, but really, that's there is really the pictures that the features of this video and of this story. So now we now have picture confirmation of this lady now. This yes, a lady, but really a young girl, because at age 18, 19, it is still within that young girl bracket, because an 19-year-old person, female, is a young girl. There's no getting away from that. An 18, 19-year-old female is a young girl. So this young girl is marrying this at best middle-aged man, because at 59 this is even generous to still describe this guy as middle-aged. So this young girl is marrying this middle-aged man, or has now married this middle-aged man, as I have already said severally on this channel, and has now been confirmed with this traditional marriage rites that's been performed in his community. And this rite, as we've already discussed, is something that they value more, is more valid to them more as an affirmation and confirmation of the union of our two persons in marriage than some legal documents that you sign in a civic center. So the marriage has taken place in the community. The formal registration of that will subsequently take out, will subsequently take place rather within whatever legal place that needs to take place, maybe in the courts, maybe in the civic center, maybe in the local authority, wherever. They go and sign all the necessary documents. But to all intents and purposes, this marriage has now taken place, and you now see proof positive now that these two are a couple. So conversations in the comment section now. But before you even start a conversation with me, you start with an apology, because I've taken a lot of abuse off the back of this story. So a lot of people have called me fake news off the back of this story. So you start off with an apology, and then you engage me in a conversation. The 18-year-old bride and the 59-year-old billionaire. Obviously, the conversation is around propriety, so let me know what your thinking is. So come join me. But before you come join me, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button, that way you're notified every time I drop a new video. Then come, let's have a chat about this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there. For here I say peace.